Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you why I love this Crescent fold-up cart. Now it says it'll hold 300 pounds. That's 100 pounds on each shelf, not 300 on one shelf. But so I like these handles, that it's easy to roll around, but the main thing is there's no assembly required. And to fold it up, you just take these D-rings, lift straight up, lock it, and now I can roll it around. I can also grab it by this handle. I can take it to where I need to go. It's all held together. When I get where I want to go, I want to undo it. Open this, watch your fingers, and take the D-rings and kind of push down, and it goes together. It's got nice big caster wheels. I can lock them, okay? There we go. I got little tool storages right here. I can put some tools, but I really like these handles. These are just really awesome for moving it around, having complete directional control, locking wheels on one side only. Let's go over some really quick measurements. Okay, so overall, 39 to the handles, 43 between each shelf. Looks like you'll be able to fit something that's about 13.5 inches. 13.5 inches, almost 14 inches. This top part, 17.5 inches by 27 inches. Oh, let's do overall dimensions this way. Handle to handle, 30.5 inches. And then front to back, handle to handle, 20.5 inches. Let's do some folded up measurements. Again, love this. And then what I especially like is it rolls around when you've got it up. So I can store this in the corner, put this where I need to go. Now with it all the way folded up, it's to the top, 54.5 inches. Maximum width folded, 9 inches. And then you'll have that same measurement across, 20.5 inches. So I absolutely love the Crescent. You know, it's just, these are these fold up shelving carts that you don't have to put together. That's the main thing I like about it, is I don't have to put any of this together. I take it out of the box, I undo this little strap right here, and it's ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.